Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a quick check-in. It's a love reading for soul connections. You versus your person's energy during this full moon in Aquarius. It's a blue moon. It's a second full moon in Aquarius, so it's very powerful. So just quickly checking in for you. All right. Let's see what's going on. I did pick up on the masculine energy this side, feminine on this side. Take it as it resonates for you in your connection. It's not gender specific. Okay. Masculine energy here is coming through with Six of Pentacles in reverse. All right. A Six of Pentacles is about equal give and take, balance. All right. And having this card in reversed, this masculine here knows they've breadcrumbed, there was an imbalance, there wasn't an equal give and take in this connection. And they are pretty strongly going through an awakening here, and wanting to bring things back into balance. All right. With the King of Swords here, the King of Swords is highly intellectual. He is very powerful king here, but you can see we've got a crow, we've got a bat, and we've got a what is this? Is it a dragonfly? I think it's a dragonfly. Yes, it's a dragonfly in this card as well. Which the crow is about spiritual and emotional transformation. The bat is about letting go of the old and starting the new. And dragonfly is about self-realization. And this is pretty much what this masculine is going through. And now wanting to bring all of these things together and balance that within himself, so that he can balance the things in this connection once again. All right. And be able to give and receive equally here. All right. So whoever's the masculine here is really trying to make some wise decisions here when it comes to this connection. All right. But you can see he's sitting and he's still working through these things. All right. There's a deep desire here to bring all of this together and bring balance here. But kind of I feel in this energy of trying to figure out how to do this. All right, trying to figure out how to do this at this stage. All right, and this is my snake ghost. Sorry, he's very sassy, so he might strike while I'm doing your reading, but he's insisting on joining the readings right now, so I'm just going to let him be and hope he'll be good. All right, and let's see what's going on for the feminine in this connection for Scorpio. All right, there is the Queen of Swords. It's a perfect pair. This is a perfect pair, the King and the Queen of Swords. But currently the feminine energy here has got a back turn to the masculine. All right, she is not even looking in his direction. They are back to back, you can see. She is also contemplating here. This is a very strong, powerful queen, the Queen of Swords. She doesn't sugarcoat. She will give you the honest truth straight up in your face. Very authentic, very powerful. Very powerful, and yeah, she will cut and slice through all the bull. All right, she won't take it. She just will not take it. And whoever's on this side here is not taking anything from this king right now. All right, she's got her back turned and she is moving away from this connection. All right, she's looking the other way. She's moving away. She's not coming back to this. At least not at this stage during this full moon. This is the energy. All right. The Six of Swords is about moving away from difficulties, moving to calmer waters, moving things forward in a connection. I think this God in reverse, this queen, this feminine energy here is not, she's not interested. Okay, she's not interested in moving things forward, coming back to the past here, reconciling or anything like that. She's just like moving away from this connection. She will not take this breadcrumbing and imbalance when it comes to this connection anymore. I feel like she's done. She's just done. A very sharp energy here. I'm going to leave it there, Scorpio. Remember to check the description box so that I can help you on a personal level. All my details below. You can get hold of me on my WhatsApp or my email. You can also use any one of my platforms to inbox me on. My Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok links are below. You can obviously follow me there as well. Sending you so much love and light. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.